Are you wasting thousands of dollars on rent and dreaming of becoming a homeowner? Hi, I'm Landon Maxfield with the Maxfield & Associates team at Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. If you're already paying rent, you're basically making a monthly house payment. So the question is, why aren't you looking at buying a house? For a lot of home buyers, one challenge is coming up with a down payment. Now, if this is your problem, take into consideration that it might not be as difficult as you think. Here are some ways to get a down payment with little to no money out of your own pocket. First, look into grant programs that are offered through the local, state, and federal government. Typically, these grants can be for a specific home buyer, or they can be fashioned for any type of buyer, depending on what that grant is used for. There are also additional resources for down payment grants that can also come through directly from mortgage lenders. And these programs do vary and change all the time. So one of your best options is to ask a professional like a realtor or a mortgage lender to point out a few programs that apply to your specific area and your situation. Now, the second thing is to shop around for financing. This is critical. Don't assume that the first place you go for financing is the only option that's available out there. Some first-time home buyers aren't aware of the fact that there are literally hundreds of different financing options that are available. To find the one that's right for you, work again with a professional or approach several lending institutions and compare what they do have to offer. So as you call around and do the comparison, you're likely going to be surprised at the variety in the loan terms that are available. Some of these options can even include little to no down payment without a government grant. Now, the third way is to save any unexpected windfalls that you might have. So examples of this would be like saving your tax return, or if you get paid biweekly, save that third check that you get during those occasional months that have 3 pay periods. In some situations, certain employers don't pull out the normal paycheck deductions like medical, dental, vision, insurance premiums on that third paycheck, so it can be more money than a typical paycheck. Now, certainly avoid the temptation to spend it and bank it for future down payment or for future enhancements to a home when you do move in. That way you can buy blinds, paint, do some things with it. Now, a fourth option for a down payment can include getting money from someone else. So in some cases, this can be asking the seller for financing or asking a relative or a friend for financial assistance. Now, keep in mind that there are certain limitations on how much a relative or a friend can gift to you, so make sure you check with a professional beforehand to determine what those limitations are. Now, when it comes to buying a home, don't let perceived barriers stand in the way from finding out if there are options available to get you into a home. One thing you can do is you can reach out to us at the Maxfield & Associates team by calling 801-920-4444 to help you through the home buying maze. Our team is here to help with a variety of different things. We have the experience that expands several decades and thousands of transactions. So until next time, I'm Landon Maxfield with the Maxfield & Associates team, helping you make the right move in real estate.